My name is Dolphin Bwari. I'm a nominated member in the Kisii County Assembly. First and foremost, as a woman, we always take the opportunity of welcoming the visitors who have come into our county. So all the visitors from the panelists and everyone who's coming, karibu sana Kisii County. Secondly, I'm a UDA member, a life member of UDA, and one of the reasons I joined UDA, it's because of the interest I saw they had with the people at the bottom of the economic pyramid. And I'm happy that we are still pushing that agenda. Even after elections, we promised people that we were going to deliver. Secondly, UDA is very deliberate in nurturing youth and ensuring that we have youth leadership. That has been demonstrated by the MPs that we have and the leaders that you have seen in front of us. You can see all the MPs that we have in front of us are all youth, the 4 MPs that we have in Kisii County. So the president has been very deliberate on youth leadership. And the corporates in here have been answered their questions. They have been coming to us as the grassroots leaders, asking about the educational funding model. They want actually affordable education, and they have raised it here. They are actually also helpful on getting employment after they have finished from university. And the questions have been answered here. I thank the leadership of UDA for ensuring that we have a forum where we include our young people to come in and ask questions and be involved in the decision making of our country, because this is the future leadership. Thank you and God bless you.